Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jackson 100%. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and effective trick to extend your phone's battery life without using any additional application. Step 1. Open the settings first, go to your phone's settings. If you want to go faster, use the search bar at the top. Simply type the word battery. Step 2. Enable battery protection. After searching, tap on the battery option. Now you will see an option called battery protection. Turn this option on. This feature limits your battery's maximum charge to 85%, which prevents overcharging and increases its lifespan in the long term. Step 3. Enable adaptive battery. Then go back and look for the adaptive battery option. Turn it on as well. This feature learns your usage habits and automatically optimizes energy consumption, and that's it. With just these two simple settings, you will not only extend your battery's lifespan, but also improve your phone's daily battery performance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Jackson 100% for more useful phone tips.